Partha's world present fluorescent flowers.
Materials required: 1 highlighter, 1 petri dish, 1 beaker, and 1 UV torch. Bunch of flowers in 2 petri dishes. Procedure: at first, we take a beaker filled with water and mix the highlighter ink from the pen into it and keep it for some time. Now we distribute the fluorescent solution into 2 beakers. We switch off the light and focus a UV torch on the beakers. Observation: the contents keep on glowing in the dark. It's a fantabulous observation. Now in 2 petri dishes, we take the bunches of flowers dipped in the fluorescent liquid and we turn on the UV light in dark. Observation: the flowers keep on glowing in the dark. A closer view. Chemistry behind fluorescent flowers. Fluorescence is the phenomena where a material absorbs light of a certain color and then emits light of a different color with a longer wavelength. When a fluorescent object is illuminated by both visible light and ultraviolet light, the object will still convert the ultraviolet light to visible light. The visible light created by the object's fluorescence gets added to the visible light reflected off the object. Fluorescent highlighter markers are so bright because they are literally fluorescent. When the flowers absorb the fluorescent ink, they keep on glowing in dark when ultraviolet light falls on it. Hope you have enjoyed this demonstration.
Like, share and subscribe Partha's world. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.